Hello guys, welcome to Inside Mathematics, and in our previous video we were looking into a similar question which has to do with ratios. So when we are dealing with questions like this, we already discussed that here it will be A or B, and here it will be B and C, where in this ratio we are saying it is 2, 3 and 5 and 6. So by doing so, here there are two ways of solving this. You can multiply A times B to get A here, and multiply B times B to get B, and multiply B times C to get C. Let us do that. A times B, it is 10. B times B, it is 15. Then 3 times 6, it is 18. So when you are looking at the ratio here, it means you find A as to B as to C, where A is 10, B is nothing but 15, and C is nothing but 18 here. So when you are looking for A ratio C to be equals to 10 as to 18, then you can simplify by 2, it is 5 as to 9. This will be your answer. Let us try to solve by another way, where let A as to B is equals to, let us use a letter K, so equals to 2K, and the ratio B 3K. Then also we are going to say and B here, ratio C is equals to 5M, 6M. So what we are having which is common is B here, and B is having values 5 and 3. So the LCM here is 15 common. Let us try to take a look. So 15 is LCM. CM is equals to 15 for B. So B is equals to 15 as for our last video. We use this same concept in our last video. So now if you get B equals to 15, then now let us look for the value of K. So we are saying B is equals to 3K, and B we said it is 15. So 15 is equals to 3K. Now let us divide both by 3. So K is equals to, here we cancel, we get 5. So K is equals to 5. If K is 5, what is the value of A? A is equals to 2K. So 2 times 5. A is equals to 10. Now, here, already we said B is equals to 10, right? B is equals to 15, sorry. So B is equals to 5M. And C is equals to 6M. B, we already find the value is 15. It's equals to 5M. Divided by 5. Here, 3. So 3 is equals to M. If 3 is equals to M, then C is equals to 6 times 3. So C is equals to 18. Therefore, A as to B as to C is nothing but A, we already get the value which is 10. B is equals to 15, is equals to 18. So you can actually see that these two ways that I've used, they are similar. If we reach to the answer here, because now we were just saying AC is equals to 10 as to 18, then you simplify. Thank you guys for watching. See you on my next video. Bye bye.